Assalamu alaikum, this is Nishon and the topic is solution of equations reducible to quadratic equations type 4. If we have equation of the form like x plus a multiplied to x plus b multiplied to x plus c multiplied to x plus d is equal to k, where a, b, c and d are real numbers, k will be constant. The condition is a plus b should be equal to c plus d. Now here I have the question that x plus 1 multiplied to x plus 3 multiplied to x minus 2 multiplied to x minus 4 is equal to 24. But if we compare this equation to the previous general form, which is x plus e x plus c and x plus d is equal to k. If we compare these both equations, then here we can see that a is 1, b is 3, c is minus 2 and d is minus 4. And the condition is a plus b should be equal to c plus d. But if I put here instead of a 1 and then b is 3, so 1 plus 3 is 4, and here c is minus 2 and d is minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So 4 doesn't equal to minus 6. That's why we can't solve this equation by the type 4. So for this I will rearrange this equation. So I wrote here x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 3 and then x minus 4. It is in the multiply form, so I can rearrange this. So now here you people can see that 1 minus 2 is minus 1 means a plus b, so 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and c plus d 3 minus 4 is also minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1 means a plus b is equal to c plus d. So now I can solve this by the type 4. Multiply x plus 1 to x minus 2. First multiply this x to x minus 2 and then multiply this plus 1 to x minus 2. So you people will get x square minus x minus 2 and then multiply this x plus 3 to x minus 4. First multiply this x to x minus 4 and then multiply this 3 plus 3 to x minus 4. So you people will get x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 24. Now let's suppose that this x square minus x is equal to y. So put here y minus 2 and put here y, so y minus 12 is equal to 24. Now multiply this y minus 2 to y minus 12. First multiply y to y minus 12 and then minus 2 to y minus 12. So you people will get y square minus 14y plus 24 is equal to 24. Now I can cancel 24 by 24. I'll shift this 24 to the right hand side, so 24 minus 24 will give you 0. Y square minus 14y is equal to 0. Take common y, so y minus 14 is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0 or y minus 14 is equal to 0, then this equation will be 0. So y is equal to 0 or y minus 14 is equal to 0. Shift minus 14 on right hand side, sign will change, so y is equal to 14. Now if y is equal to 0, then x square minus x is equal to 0. Put the y value as we suppose that y is equal to x square minus x. So x square minus x is equal to 0. Take common x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Shift minus 1 on the right hand side, so sign will change and x is equal to 1. Now if y is equal to 14, put the y value x square minus x is equal to 14. Shift 14 on the left hand side, so x square minus x minus 14 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So a is 1, b is minus 1 and c is minus 14. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 under the x is equal to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So the solution set is 0, 1, 1 plus minus under root 57 divided by 2. Like and subscribe my channel. Click the bell button if these videos are helpful for you.